Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 5. This is our last CR question for the multiple choice. It says, Tilly follows the stock market. Ooh, good for Tilly. On Tuesday morning, a certain stock that she owns is priced at $41. So I'm just going to go ahead and write down that number, $41. Why not? It seems like it might be important. There we go. Here are the changes over the next 4 days. And this is really what stocks do. They go up and down based on the day. So I'm going to highlight anything that went up in one color, and then I'm going to highlight anything that went down in another. So up will be blue, so it looks like it went up $1, down $5, up $3, so I'm circling that in blue, and up $2. I'll circle that in blue. So where it went down, which was $5, I'm just going to circle this part in red. It went down $5. There we go. So it says, what is the stock price at the end of the week? Well, if it went up, that means I'm going to be adding. So let's go ahead. I'm going to add up the $3, the $2, and the $1 that it all went up by. So here's the 3, here's the 2, and here's the 1. So let's go ahead and just start with that. 41 plus 3 is 44. If I then add 2 to that, it is 46. And then if I add 1 to that, well, that's pretty easy. That is 47. Now comes the downward spiral of money. It went down $5. Well, going down $5 would mean I'm subtracting $5. 47 minus 5 is $42. Bam, that's your answer. Good luck. Oh, here it is. Woohoo! Good luck on yours.